Hello guys, in today's video we have a review of a slightly different device than usual, which is very important for all diabetics in a world where technology changes our lives every day. SIBIONICS GS1 revolutionized diabetics management. Forget about uncomfortable pricks and scans. This is the future of continuous glucose monitoring. Today we will look at all the key aspects of this device, from the unpacking, installation, using the app. This is the SIBIONICS GS1 CGM video review. SIBIONICS is a pioneer in the development of innovative solutions for diabetes management. The GS1 is their latest product, and this is not just any device. It is the first CGM system from China to receive CE certification for European market. The CE mark means that the device has passed rigorously safely, efficiently and quality tests. I'm free to say that over only few days of use we realized that the SIBIONICS SG1 is even better product than the one we have been using for years, which is a globally more well-known brand. The special feature of this device lays in its design: simple, elegant, discreet and most importantly precise. The SIBIONICS GS1 system is indicated for use in people with type 1 and 2 diabetes aged 18 and older. At a time when the technology plays a key role in healthcare, SIBIONICS GS1 brings refreshment to the continuous glucose monitoring market with a 24-hour and a 14-day continuous glucose monitoring. Real-time glucose with a very accurate sensor readings sent directly to your smartphone without the need for calibration or scanning, so a completely independent and practical device. Now let's discover what awaits us in the box. This is what the sensor looks like. It is currently inside the applicator, a small rounded device that you will wear on the back of your upper arm. This is a sensor pack and it contains the sensor, applicator designed for easy and precise placement of the sensor. Its ergonomic design ensures that the entire procedure is quick and absolutely painless. We really like this, something that we had to buy additionally with the previous sensor brand, and you get it for free here, which is the over patch. Additional patch that ensures that the sensor stays in place even during intense activities such as swimming, showering or sweating. And finally there is instructions. They are clear, graphic and easy to follow. Everything is carefully organized and ready for the user. Even if this is your first interaction with the CGM system, the installation will go smoothly. The first thing we need to do is to connect to the SIBIONICS application, which is our portal to the world of glucose data. Here is how to get started. Download the app from the Google Play or App Store. Register with your email and set the basic settings, and that's it for now. Now comes the main thing. One of the greatest advantages of the GS1 sensor is precisely the ease of installation. The process takes less than 5 minutes. Choose the area. The back of the upper arm is ideal because it is easily accessible and less susceptible to interference. Avoid areas with the scars, moles and a lot of hair. Of course, everyone will choose the place that suits them best. Now you should prepare the skin, and we will do this by thoughtfully cleaning the area with the alcohol wipe and let the skin dry completely. Now comes the preparation of the applicator. Uncover the cap from the sensor applicator. Carefully align the sensor applicator with the sensor pack on a flat and hard surface. Press down firmly on the applicator until it comes to stop. Leave the sensor applicator out of the sensor pack, and the sensor applicator is now ready to apply the sensor. Now we can remove the safety clip from the applicator. Next is the main thing, setting the sensor. Place the applicator on the skin and press until you heard a click. This sound means that the sensor is securely attached. Finally, additional security of the sensor by sticking of the overpatch over the sensor to further secure it during daily activities. Overpatch is something we didn't get with the old brand of sensors we used until now, and we will have to buy them additionally, so we warmly welcome this. This sensor is waterproof, which means you can wear it while showering or swimming, although it recommends not to expose it to the water for longer than 30 minutes and not to depth greater than 1 meter. Now that we have applied the sensor to the body, it's time to connect the application. After we download the application from the Google Play or App Store at the beginning and register with the email and set the basic settings, we will log in to the SIBIONICS app. Now we will connect to the sensor by scanning the QR code on the box. After we scan, the sensor is connected to the app. Now we will wait about 60 minutes until the sensor warms up and starts measuring. The application automatically records the glucose level every 5 minutes and sends notifications in case of sudden changes. You can customize high and low alarms and even enable the override Do Not Disturb option to make sure you don't miss important notifications even at night. Keep the Bluetooth on and the SIBIONIC app running in the background all the time to ensure you never miss any data. It is important that you are within range of the Bluetooth in 6 meters. The app's interface is intuitive with clear graphics and historical glucose with the data you can share with your doctor. Please note that the sensor will stop working after 14 days and must be replaced using the same procedure. It will also be important to remove the sensor if you notice irritation or discomfort at the application site. We will do it by peeling off the overpatch from the sensor and then removing the sensor. You should dispose of the used overpatch and sensor properly and apply a new sensor if needed. Thanks to modern technology, the GS1 provides extremely accurate readings without the need for additional calibrations. No scanning, no additional devices, just sensor and your smartphone. It's discreet and modern, thin and narrow, ideal for everyday use. What would be my personal impression and conclusion, and as someone who is a type 1 diabetic and has tested different CGM systems, I can say that the SIBIONICS GS1 impressed me with its simplicity and reliability. What it really liked was the adhesive that holds the sensor much better and stronger on the skin than those from the competition. And unlike others, it also comes in a package with the overpatch that additionally secures the sensor from external influences. It has small dimensions, as such is more practical than other sensors. It lasts as long as the others, 14 days, but it also significantly cheaper, which is a big plus. SIBIONICS GS1 is a device that doesn't just measuring glucose, it puts control back in your hands literally. So if you are looking for affordable and practical solution, the GS1 is hard to beat. Try it and see for yourself. The official link is below this video. Thanks for watching, subscribe to our channel and leave a comment what you think about this device. That will be all for today. Until the next review, bye.